I've been thinking a lot about this very human topic. More particularly, strength versus weakness, my holistic kind of opinion. I've often had an internal struggle with allowing myself to break down, even when it's necessary. Society and some close have often told me to be strong, even when I felt quite weak. I'm here to tell you that quote unquote weakness is a natural process. It's one of Mother Nature's requirements that we humans tend to ignore. As someone who's sensitive, an empath, an artist, someone who's a bit more feely, sometimes it's challenging to live with yourself. Previously, self criticism was often high, leading to long term, vulnerable internal states. At some point, we have to be okay with and understand that breaking down periodically is normal, just like in Mother Nature. Scaling back, pausing, death, it's all part of our natural existence. So allow yourself to descend sometimes, just like they do in Mother Nature. Allow weakness so you may grow stronger. Happy hunting.